The beam we're cutting is going to go across the center, and it's going to support the load of the pallets for the roof.
Oh, okay.
So that's why we're putting the angle in it, so it matches the angle of the roof.
"24 hours later."
What the notch is going to be.
Sac la bleu. You're the short guy, I'll go. Are you flush on your end?
Okay, it's got to come my way a bit, eh? A bit more. Good. I'm gonna have to get a hand plane, and we'll have to strike a line. I'm gonna have to hand plane that edge down.
Why?
Well, look at the middle edge.
Yeah, but it's, remember, pellets, uneven pellets are going on there.
I know, I gotta do it.
No, that's fine.
All we're gonna do today is put the beam up. I can still accomplish.
Yeah, do that when it's up there.
I can do it when it's up there.
Yeah.
So what we should do is cut a couple 2x4s to go in here to come up and touch this one. Then we can screw it there, and then this thing will be. Oh no, we can't do that.
No, we can't do that yet. We have to cut the notches in.
We gotta cut the notches. Now, make sure that we're not kicked out in the middle here. But you're flush there. You're dead flush on the outside.
I am flush.
Okay. Can you get a yellow square here, please? We gotta go 3.5. And we'll come down 3.5.
This one you can call Beam Me Up Keith.
Why?
Beam. Maybe they thought there was a herd of caribou going through town or something.
Or we can do it with, yeah, we can do it with chop saw, I guess.
Oh, it's getting real dirty.
Screws here.
Just had a look there halfway through your cutting to see if we had the notches on the same side.
Yeah.
Well, it happens
Do
sometimes.
some more editing.
These words being said.
Oh no, we just fix it, make another beam and then splice it in. Eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, now we're screwed. Hey, what kind of drugs are we on today? Mine's not right.
Here. Yeah, we gotta fix the notch here. I gotta go up. We gotta.
Yeah, see?
Oh. Before we go any farther, just pull it my way a bit and see if this is close enough. No. Okay, we're good here. We're good here.
Planned that freaking perfect, didn't I? How does that one on the outside look, Keith? Here.
Well, there's not much we can do about it. It is where it is. We have to shim it. We shim it. This is where it's going to live its life. Gotta go off.
Not really.
Then we tried on.
Swen and Olga went to the unemployment office. Swen goes up first and what do? Oh, I'm a diesel mechanic. Oh, but I can't find a job. He says, oh, here's, you get this much for unemployment. And then Olga went up and he says, what do? Diesel fitter. Oh, geez, you get this much for unemployment. And the other guy goes, well, why does he get the same as me? Well, he's a diesel fitter. No, he works in a battery factory, and he takes him, put him on his head, and he goes, diesel fitter? 20 years or better.
That's how long you've had it?
Oh, yeah.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
How long you had your ladder, Keith, which is still at home?
Oh, about 26 years.
Oh, yeah.
I'm pretty sure mine was 27. Yeah, about 27, yeah. Well, actually, I bought it when I was 3. So I'm 56 years.
I bought mine before I was born.
Dad bought it for you.
That's right.
Said, son, when you're born, this is going to be yours. Yeah, that's a, I don't have an ice clamp like that. Bottom in first. Perfect. Oh, I know that.
It'll take you more than 2 or 3
Oh, I know.
You're 11 and 5/8.
What's this little under thing?
Well, I did 11 and 5/8 by a hair.
Fancy looking beam.
Yeah.
I wonder if we can hang a moose.
Good. Hair's breaking in the middle of the day.
Rip the shit out of the place. Eh? Clean all my stuff.
You're not even close. Oh, crap. No, I'm not even close, right?
We don't need that. Might need that. You know, I think if we I think to support it, we have to give it lots of encouragement, say happy things about it, and I mean, it'll be supported.
Mm-hmm.
But it'll have anxiety.
Oh, yeah, then it'll be like a bubble wrap kid, you know.
That's right.
You know, it won't be able to take any criticism.
That's right. You have to give it a ribbon for everything it does.
That's right.
This is right down to the floor, right?
Right down to the beam.
You've already gotten.
See.